Hello everyone, my name is Yolanda Sudala with NPM 2341115. Here I will explain about game theory, unlocking strategic decision. Game theory reveals how rational agents make choices when outcome depends on order. This brief explore core concept, a conditional example, the central solution concept, practical application, and a clear action plan to apply this idea. Next, maturing the game, key takeaways and next step. Number 1, core principles. Identify players, action, and payoffs. Determine incentive and best response. Number 2, analyze. Find niche equilibria, checks for dominance, and consider repeated or incomplete information settings. Number 3, design interpretation. Use commitment, transparency, and incentive alignment to guide behavior towards better social outcomes. Number 4, practical next step. Number 1, model a familiar decision as a two games. Number 2, checks for demands, triggers, and equilibria. Number 3, experiment with repeated play or maximum change. Next, the prisoner's dilemma clause. 2 suspects choose to cooperate, stay silent, or fake betrayal. Individual incentive toward divulgation, even though mutual cooperation yields a pair of joint outcomes. The dilemma highlights tension between private incentives and collective welfare. Number 1, payoff structure. Typical payoff ranking: temptation, rewards, punishment, such gratification, the dominance cooperation in a single play, creating the paradox. Number 2, strategy insight. Repeat interrogation, repetition, or invoiced agreement can shift incentive toward cooperation. Next, real world application. Number 1, economic and action. Design action and predict varying behavior, set incentive to maximize revenue or efficiency. Number 2, networks and platforms. Platform design, pricing, and waging really on strategic anticipation of user response. Number 3, business strategy. Competitive positioning, entry deterrence, and contract design use equilibrium and commitment concepts. Number 4, everyday decision. From routing to negotiating terms, recognizing strategies independent to improve outcomes. Next, niche equilibrium, stability, and interaction. A niche equilibrium is a profile of strategies where no players can gain by unilaterally defeating. It captures strategic stability, not necessarily the social option outcomes. Use niche to predict outcome, checks based response, look for fewer VS makes strategies, and consider multiple equilibria and equilibrium selection match handsome.